Hey YouTube. We're going to do American Honey by Current Joy. The song is in E flat. I'm playing that up here at the 6th fret with the bar chord. It's possible that a detuned guitar is being played, but anyways, I think this sounds the best. And then we go to B flat at the 6th, A flat at the 4th. Then we go to the 8th for C minor. Flat, A flat, and it completes the chord progression. Play some arpeggios. Most of the melody notes are coming right out of these chords, so if you just pick the right ones. You can kind of pick out the melody. And I always think of songs that use this chord progression as like T, because like you got at the 6th you get the bass of the T, and then on the 6th string you had the top of the T. So a very symmetrical shape. And then let's see, there's a instrumental section where they play like violins. If you wanted to play C minor, that would work well over this. Okay, that's my quick lesson. It's got a great video for this song that the lead singer of Current Joys did. He's got his dog in there, so it's pretty fun. It's all about loneliness. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.